Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So on this video, I want to talk to you guys about this comment that I got. So somebody said, can I use my Lexus Pursuit Visa credit card anywhere Visa card is accepted, like Walmart? And they said they got approved for $7,000. Now I told you guys about this credit card previously. So if you guys checked out one of my other videos, you would have seen that I told you guys about this credit card. Plus I told you guys about the Toyota credit card. Both of these credit cards, you can pre-qualify for them without a hard inquiry. So anytime you get a credit card, you just want to look and see like what logo is on your credit card, and then you'll know where you can actually use that credit card at. So this is the Lexus credit card, and it says Visa right here. So this one can be used anywhere Visa is accepted. If you guys apply for their credit card, you do the pre-qualification. If you get one like this, you don't see any type of logo here, which means that it's just a store. That means you can only use it with Lexus. So keep that in mind, you guys. And if you guys were to pre-qualify for this credit card that I'm about to show you, you guys can also call in to see if there's any way that you can get the Visa. So I'm going to show you this, and I'm going to show you the Toyota, because to me, both of them like the same. If you can get approved for one, you can probably get approved for other. Both of them is with community bank. So, you know, I think that if you can get approved for one, you should be able to get approved for the other one. So this is the actual pre-qualification application. So you guys can complete this application and try to pre-qualify for the credit card without a hard inquiry. So finding out if you pre-qualify without any impact to your credit score. So when you guys do this, you guys should not get a hard inquiry, which is what is going to drop your credit score, that hard inquiry. So you shouldn't get a hard inquiry at all, which is a good thing. So for this one, I would tell people, make sure that you have a great Equifax credit score. And when I say great, at least try to be over 600. So you don't have to have a good one, but you have to have it. You can't have bad credit, basically, not too bad. You can have a low credit score, but you just can't have like a 400s. I've seen some people get approved with 500s, but pre-qualify, see if they can give it to you. I seen somebody else said that they got it with a 570 credit score, but you know, don't get too excited. Like if you know your credit score is very, very low, then please, you know, just pre-qualify for it before you get too excited and they say no. But go ahead and put your first name in here, put your last name, social security number, put your annual income here. Now, please make sure you guys read this information that's down here, because this is what's going to tell you about other income that you guys can actually include. Because some people ask about income, and I tell people, please go ahead and read this additional information so that you guys can know if there's other income that you can actually include, especially like if you are in Wisconsin, you can use your spouse's income, I believe. So you can combine you and your spouse's financial information when you pre-qualify. So when they ask what's your income, if you're in Wisconsin, then you can combine both of y'all income and put it on this application. Now your contact information, go ahead and put your zip code in. Put your zip code, put your address, put your city and your state in here. Now, please make sure you guys read this information down below, the disclosures that they are offering you guys. And if you agree to it, then you will click right here and then click continue. Now, this again, this is the Lexus credit card. If you guys do not see that logo there, call them and see if there's a way that you guys can get that Visa. I usually tell people, try to see if you can just get in first and then try to see if you can work up to a Visa, or you can probably go to the website directly and see if there's a way that you could just get that Visa card. But again, you guys will be able to pre-qualify for the Lexus credit card without a hard inquiry, which is something that's really amazing. So that right here, this is the Lexus. Now this is the Toyota. Now, as you can see, this information is the same that you need to put on here because it's with the same company, Community Bank. And then we'll check out some of the benefits that you guys will be able to get with having these. Sometimes people need to get credit cards to help with their utilization. So even getting approved for extra $3,500, $4,500, which I remember a couple said that one got approved for $3,500, the other got approved for $4,500. So $3,500, $4,500. that's an additional $8,000 that was added to their credit, which it helped them with their utilization to help you guys also. So getting these cards can help you, especially if you have like $500 credit cards, you've got them maxed out right now. Getting cards like this can help with your utilization so that you can go ahead and increase your credit score and probably do a balance transfer or give you more time to really pay down those credit cards while you're still waiting to bring your credit score up, okay? So keep that in mind too when you think, oh, I don't want the store card. If you can still get approved for these, you know, even if they was to give you $4,000 or $5,000, that still can be very beneficial. So for this one, what you want to do is put your first name in, put your last name in, put your social security number, and then put your annual income in here. Again, they have that disclosure right here for Wisconsin residents only about you using your spouse's income and adding it on. You can also just read more because it's more than just your spouse's income that you can add, but definitely read into it so you can know like what income you can include on the application. Go ahead and put your zip code here with your address, your city, and your state in right here. And make sure you read these disclosures. Same thing as the other credit card. Click agree if you agree to it and click continue. Now also, let's look at some of the benefits that they offer. So they offer no interest if paid in full within 6 months of purchase, and it's going to be a purchase of $199 or more at the Toyota dealership. So this is for Toyota, and then also I believe they have another one for Lexus. So let me double check though. So yep, you got the same thing. So no interest if paid in full within 6 months of purchase of your purchase of $199 or more at the Lexus dealership. So if you got a Lexus, this is still nice to have. If you have a Toyota, this is still nice to have. But like I said, I seen that comment with someone saying how they got approved, and I talked to you guys about this credit card a few times in the past. So I thought it would be nice if I go ahead and bring it up. And like I said, if you don't get that Visa, if you don't get the Visa, the Lexus Pursuit Visa card, or the Toyota Visa card, then call them and see if there's a way that you can get it. Maybe you want to call before, or maybe you just want to get in the system and then start working your way up, and then hopefully you'll be able to get approved for that Visa card. But again, if you guys have low utilization, this can be a great card for that too, because it can really help you guys if you guys have high utilization, it can help you guys with your utilization. And here are some more people. I have like some other ones in here. So let's go over these two just in case. So somebody said that they was approved for the Lexus. So they said, just to let you know that if you apply and get approved for the Lexus card first, then you can get the Toyota card. If they want both cars, they must apply for the Toyota first, then the Lexus. So that is something good. Somebody said apply for the Toyota first, so that is good for sure. Somebody said they was approved for the Toyota car, $1,500 limit. They did pull Equifax and Experience still, but that was good because it helped them make credit and they was able to fix their car. So that is really, really good. Somebody else put on here they got a $10,000 limit for the Toyota. Here's another person again. I accept the offer of $1,500 for the Toyota. Only accepted because it was Equifax, but now I have to wait 2 weeks. So when you guys get a notification from them, they may say, hey, we need to verify your identity. Please go ahead and verify that. Or they may just say, hey, we'll reach out to you in mail. That's probably because they just need to verify your identity. So please make sure you guys go ahead and do the verification. But yeah, definitely go ahead and check it out. And then here's that couple I was telling you about. Thank you so much. Got approved for $4,500 and my wife got $3,500. Always great video. So that is really good. And that's for the Lexus. But again, remember, you use a Toyota first. Get the Toyota first, then go ahead and get the Lexus. Somebody said they got approved for $3,000. And I told them this could be great for utilization. So definitely keep this for utilization. But hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. I will definitely see you all in the next video. Make sure you guys go ahead and drop your comments down below. And anytime you guys do get approved for a credit card, again, we can reference all these old comments like I always have in the video. So definitely make sure you guys drop those comments down below if you guys get approved.